Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for a beauty box. This one is called Glow Addict Beauty Box. I got the idea from Alexandria. I really like watching her videos. She does a lot of unboxings and I thought they looked really fun, so I wanted to try. And the first thing to know about this box is the cost of it is $18.99 per month, and there's also $4 shipping. But I did find a 10% off code, so it brought it down to $20 total for everything. And unlike Ipsy, so like for Ipsy, you can do your skin tone, your preferences like beauty wise, like if you like adventurous makeup, if you like skincare. This one did not ask you anything, just no questions, just asked me my name, my address, and I paid for it, and then that was it. And it came really quickly. I ordered it on the 11th and it came the 18th, so a week. It was pretty fast. And it is a monthly subscription box, so I just bought one because I wanted to try out, but it comes every month if you want it to. And I've never done this before, so I don't know what's in here. We're gonna see. So on the Glow Addict's Beauty Box website, they have a few options for your subscription. There is the Glow Addict Beauty Bag, which is only $13.99, and it states that it's packed full of 4 to 5 items, luxury size and full size, delivered to your door every month. Discover new brands and try new products for only $13.99. So that one is the beauty bag, so it says 4 to 5 items, and the one I got was the beauty box, which says 5 to 7 items, and that one is $18.99. So definitely everything is full size, which I really like, because Ipsy, they usually have a lot of travel size or like samples, which I'm not a fan of because it's really small. So I like this box more so than Ipsy, that's for sure. And they also have a Glow Addict skincare box if you're into skincare rather than makeup. They have 4 to 5 items for $24.99 a month. And then if you go, it seems like, so since you don't have preferences, everyone gets the same thing every month. And you can go on their website and see what past boxes have gotten, so you have an idea of what you're getting yourself into beforehand, which I like. Ooh, alrighty. So, first thing I see in here is a little loose glitter by the brand Naked Cosmetics. It's like a white clear. And the name is White Crystal. That looks pretty. The next thing, it says 1520. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a brush. I'm guessing a brush. It's a cute box though that comes in. Comes in here. Yeah, a little brush. Little eyeshadow brush. Looks pretty cute. Next thing is a liquid eyeliner, which I love. Obviously, I wear eyeliner every day. It's by the brand Okalan. Ooh, I'm not really a fan of these tips usually, but I will try it out regardless. And this thing, I'm very excited, is some lashes. Nina Fresta Cosmetics. Cruelty-free and vegan, we love that. And it's $4.20 somewhere. That is the theme of this. So let's see what they look like. They look very nice, first of all. I love me some long lashes. Looks pretty nice, promising. I'll have to try them out, see what I think. Overall, so good so far. I really like these items. And then I think this is the last item. It looks like it's a eyeshadow palette by the brand Okalan again. It's called the Perfect Stylist Eyes 24 color eyeshadow palette. It's got like a Paris scene on the front. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, here we go, 24 colors. Pretty nice. Looks like this could be like a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight. And a bunch of just neutrals. Kind of boring, to be honest. Like nothing exciting, but it's a lot of colors. Now, it didn't give me anything to tell me how much is in here, like how much everything is, so I'm gonna go ahead and look that up and have the totals to see how much of the value we got with this box. Alright, so I looked them up and I found this one. I couldn't find this exact color on their website, but I looked and found that they had a bunch of loose glitters. Loose pigments, about $15 each, so apparently this is like $15 for loose pigment. And this was the Auckland, I'm not sure how to say it, eyeliner. Online I found it for $5, and then the Auckland eyeshadow palette, found it for $15. And then this was the 1520 Beauty brush, found it for $12. And then the Nina Fresa lashes. I couldn't find these exact ones on the website, but the lashes looked to be about $11 each. So the total for everything was $58, and I paid like $20, so I got like $38 extra out of it, so it's definitely like a good deal. I'm not sure if I'd buy it again though, just because like this isn't, because it's only $15, like I don't think it's going to be that good of quality. And I have so many other eyeshadow palettes with like basically the same color, so personally I wouldn't probably use this. I might see if my sister wants it. She's like getting to make it more. But this is definitely like a good gift for someone that's like getting into makeup, trying to get new products. My favorite thing out of them all was these lashes. They look pretty promising because I really like big full lashes. So I just wish, so like this box is really ugly. Like there's nothing special, just a white box. So like they could make a cute box if it's called the Glow Addict Beauty box. And I really wish they had like a little card telling you about each item, like the prices and stuff. That'd be nice too. But overall, it was good. I'm glad I didn't waste my money. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. This is definitely something new on my channel I'm trying. So if you liked it or you didn't like it, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you thought. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.